Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is going back to basics in Microsoft Excel. Now Microsoft Excel is a fantastic spreadsheet program allowing people, business owners, people in the financial sector to be able to use a program to do many things like calculations, formulas to help run their business. Now obviously in terms of basic Excel usage, what I'm going to do is show you how to use simple formulas like the adding up formula and adding lots of different numbers together using a simple adding formula, but also using a function called the sum function to add lots of numbers together. So here I have a basic spreadsheet here. So I'm going to focus on this first table here. This table consists of two columns, fruits in the first column and the price for each fruit in the second column, the amount of each fruit. Now the yellow box is where the formula is going to go, and this formula is going to add up all these numbers here. So there's two ways to add up these numbers together to get the total here. The first thing you do when you do a formula in Excel is you type in equals, type in the equals button. Now what you can simply do, now the long way of adding lots of numbers together is highlight the cells you want to add up. So you highlight the first one, then click on the add sign. Highlight the second cell, click on the add sign. Highlight the third, click on the add sign, fourth, and there you go. Okay, so the total is 170. If I delete that, that's one way of adding lots of numbers together. The other way is using this thing here called the sum function. There's a bit of information there on how to use the sum function, but I'm just going to show you in this video how to use the sum function. So you highlight where you want the formula to go, type in equals, then type in the word sum. Now what Excel will do, it will bring up lots of different functions related to what you've typed there. So I'm going to use the sum function, so you click on the sum function if you want. Now it will automatically put a bracket open in there, and then all you need to do is highlight all the numbers you want to add in with your left mouse button, drag it down to all the numbers you want to add in like this. So that's from the start to the end, and to end this formula you do bracket closed, bracket closed, and then enter. Okay, and that's how you add lots of numbers together. Okay, there is another way to add using a shortcut key. So what you do is select the yellow cell. Let's try it in this table here. Select the yellow cell, and then you press Alt and equals. Let me type in Alt, then equals, and what it will do, it will automatically select all the numbers you want to add in. It'll add the formula in there for you, and all you do simply is click on the enter key, and there you go. I'll do that one more time. So this table here, this third table, click on that, click on Alt and equals, it will automatically put the formula in there, click on enter. And that was a quick and easy video showing you how to use the add formula and how to use the sum function and some shortcuts to add lots of numbers together in a table in a spreadsheet. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like, subscribe and share.